how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So let's get started by taking you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, let's open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States, which is the country we are going to target in today's video, and wait for it to load. And here, zoom in on the states. So here, let's zoom in on the states and let's choose a city or a state that we are going to apply the method in. So for example, let's choose here, let's choose Arizona. Let's zoom in on Arizona state and let's choose a city in here or a town. For example, let's choose Phoenix. Let's choose Phoenix in here. Let's choose Phoenix and let's go to the search to start looking for the small businesses that could be available in this place. But before that, I'm going to talk about the 3 services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create websites for the businesses if they don't have one, and if they already have a website, we are going to check if the website is up to date or not. If not, we are going to offer to renovate it for them. And the second service is removing the bad reviews from their profile. So if they have any bad reviews, we are going to offer to remove them for them. And the third service is the social media accounts managing. So here, let's start by looking for a small business like gyms, for example. So let's look for gyms here, and I spelled it wrong, gym. Click on search and let's wait for it to load. And here we have a lot of profiles, and guys, I'm going to show you the profiles that you need to avoid contacting because it would be helpless. You won't work with them because of some certain reasons. For example, like this first profile in here, they are already sponsored in they sponsored their profile in Google Maps, which means they have someone managing their profile in Google Maps, and that means we can't offer much. And here we have Planet Fitness, which is a gym brand in the United States. They have gyms all over the country, and also it would be useful to contact them. Same thing with this other profile, Planet Fitness. Same thing with Anytime Fitness. They are also a gym brand in the United States. Another Planet Fitness. And here we have Glory Gains, which is not a gym brand in the United States, and it's not also sponsored in the platform. So that is our perfect profile to reach out to. So here, let's go check their profile to see what are all of the services that we can offer them. Here, let's check their website to see if we can offer any help with the website. Let's wait for it to load. Here it seems like the website is already new and updated. It won't need any renovations. This is their trainers. Here you can contact them by filling that form, and here we can check their social media accounts to see if they would need any help managing them. So we can offer that service as well. Here, let's go up and let's check their Instagram. Let's wait for it to load so that we can know. So here from the icons, you can notice that we can't offer much as well when it comes to managing the social media accounts. And from the posts and the reels, you can see that they have a theme, and that means they have someone managing their social media, which means we can't offer much help with their social media. And here it will be the same with the Facebook again. Here same thing, same posts. So that means we can't offer them the first and the third service, which is creating a website and managing the social media. But let's see if we can offer them removing the bad reviews service from their profile. And it seems like they have some 1-star reviews. So let's scroll down, click on more reviews, and let's wait for it to load. Here let's scroll down and let's look for the 1-star review. Still the 5-star reviews. Let's scroll down. 5-star, 5-star. Still in the 5-star reviews. 5-star. So we need to find that 1-star review, and that's what we are going to use in order to convince them to purchase our service, which is removing the bad reviews. And it seems like they don't have that 1-star review. So that means this we can't offer any service to this profile. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have Fitness One Gym. Let's check again their profile. Here check the website, see if it will need any help, then scroll down, check the reviews. If you find 1-star review, that's what we are looking for, then we can offer them our services. So here let's wait for it to load. Let's scroll down. 5-star reviews. We need to find that 1-star review. Here we have a 3-star review, but it's not enough. We need the 1-star review. That's what could convince the business owners to purchase our service, because the 1-star reviews most likely have a bad comment under them, and it gives bad reputation to the business in the area. So here I have this is the 1-star review we were looking for from 7 years ago, and that's what you are going to use in order to convince them to purchase our service. And as I said in the beginning, guys, you won't need to deliver any service or learn any skill in today's video. You'll just go to fiverr.com, which is a platform where you can hire freelancers to deliver the services instead of you. So here you can hire a freelancer for only $25 to remove the bad reviews. And if you got paid $100 for the bad reviews, you can pay the freelancer $25 and you can take the rest to your pocket. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.